Tech Talk on environmental disasters and environmental stress. My name is Vemgal Suhas. Environmental disaster. An environmental disaster or ecological disaster is a catastrophic event regarding the environment due to human activity. Causes of environmental disaster. Pollution. Pollution in whatever form, whether it is air, water, land, or noise, is harmful for the environment. Effects of environmental disasters. Impact on human health. Human health might be at the receiving end as a result of the environmental degradation. Loss of biodiversity. Biodiversity is important for maintaining balance of the ecosystem in the form of combating pollution, restoring nutrients, protecting water sources, and stabilizing climate. Deforestation, global warming, overpopulation, etc. Ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer is responsible for protecting Earth from harmful ultraviolet rays. The presence of chlorofluorocarbons, hydrochlorofluorocarbons in the atmosphere is causing the ozone layer to deplete. Loss of tourism industry. The deterioration of environment can be a huge setback for tourism industry that rely on tourists for their daily livelihood. Images of environmental disasters. A dust storm approaches Stratford, Texas in April 1935. Next disaster is Kuwaiti oil fires. Last disaster is Great Smog. In 2019, several meteorological disasters affected the planet, from historical cities experiencing record flood levels to earthquakes and hurricanes, leaving countless people without shelter. According to the International Disaster Database put together by the Center for Research on the Epidemiology of Disasters in Belgium, the worst meteorological events have been storms and heat waves, with hundreds of people losing their lives in floods or due to sizzling temperatures. Environmental stress. It can be defined as emotional, cognitive, and behavioral responses to an environmental stimulus. Causes of environmental stress. Heat. When it's very hot, we become much more likely to get stressed and irritable. This has even been put forward as one of the reasons that some people in sunny countries are often described as being passionate. Weather. Weather can also cause stress in other ways. Being constantly rained down on and getting soaking wet can make us stressed and irritable, for instance, and so too can the weather changing very rapidly or being extremely cold. Effects of environmental stress. Stress is the non-specific response of the body to any demand for change. Excess or chronic psychological or environmental stress is associated with an increased risk of mental and physical diseases, with several mechanisms theorized to be associated with its detrimental effects. Following are the environmental stresses can be classified are as follows. First one, physical stress. Second one, wildfires. Third one, pollution. Fourth one, thermal stress. Fifth one, radiation stress. Sixth one, climate stress. Last but not least, biological stress. Another classification of environmental stress are classified are as two types. They are natural stress and man-made stress. Natural stress: floods, droughts, volcanoes, tsunami, earthquakes, avalanches. Next one is man-made stress: deforestation, pollution, land use.